So we have an appointment for Savi's workshop at 3:45, but it's still in the morning.
Yeah.
But yet they told us we can just go in. That's exciting. And just to take a look at what our options are here. These are our lightsaber options.
Peace and justice, power and control, elements of nature, which I'll probably do, and protection and defense.
Interesting. So that's where this is. I like that it's kind of tucked away a little bit. It's almost like no one comes back here, but it is early in the morning. So before we go in, we can like look at whatever like parts we might use that's in this thing.
Let's see this one.
Okay. So
That, I think, Jedi.
the third one right there is elemental
Nature, which I am
nature.
doing. Ooh, this is actually
So this
a
would
pretty
be
good piece.
so this would be your category.
You feel it though? I feel it.
Oh
It's
wow,
actually metal.
that's really metally.
This is actually
Oh my
metal.
god. Okay, wait, no.
Yes.
Now I.
Ooh,
Oh,
thank
well,
you.
nice.
Dude,
No, yeah, I'm
this is kind of
legit.
worth it at this
I am
point.
not kidding you guys. This is like legit material right here. This is legit material. It's not plastic.
Yeah.
Actually, might as well take a look in each drawer. I am actually not sure. I think this is power and something, but
Yeah.
in the order of which it was, I'll put a caption on. But that's the first drawer right there.
This one is this is power and control.
Power and control.
AKA the dark
Judging
side.
by the red, dark side, Imperial or, that. And yeah, the third one we did see already.
I actually like this part though.
That's what we're probably doing. And the last one, I forgot what this one is.
Justice and something. I forgot.
Is it
these
Justice?
already.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well.
That looks pretty interesting. I don't know why I got Guardians. What?
Yeah,
What's
don't-
wrong?
Don't worry.
What's going on?
We're going in soon. He's just hungry.
What's
even
wrong,
though-
Ao? All right, they said we're building wind chimes, but that's obviously not what we're doing. Oh snap!
Welcome to the workshop.
Hello.
You'll be right here. And then our second builder, you'll be right here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And to both of you, welcome to the workshop.
Sorry.
Hello.
How are you doing? Welcome. What's your name?
Wesley?
Wesley. Nice to meet you. And here we have our next builder.
Michelle.
Michelle. Nice to meet you, Michelle. Well, you can call me Kembe. These are my
Kembe.
fellow gatherers. We have Erica and Ali. Well, I know what you're probably all thinking. This all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Well, some of it is new junk as well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, and it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find that we bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper might look around and see worthless clutter. But to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. I'm assuming we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker.
Yes.
Well, you might be. Well, we hear there is a new Jedi. Do we know her name?
Ray.
That's the one.
Yeah, Ray.
And what we've heard about her is that, well, she's the spark that is lighted the flame. And that's why you're all here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them both. Today you'll all feel that connection. But enough talk, let's begin. And we begin with perhaps the most important part of a lightsaber.
The kyber crystal.
That's the one. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. And you may all know this from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history. The blue crystal, for example, reveals a blue blade, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and so we hear Red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many, it is called the colour of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Go ahead, both of you. Close your eyes. Picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which colour calls to you? Which colour do you see in your mind? Which colour is yours? Open your eyes and now select your crystal. Very good, Phyllis. We both have our crystals. Go ahead and place them on the green crystal holders that you see in front of you. Gatherers and Akamaran to prepare your boxes. The boxes that contain the saber designs that you have previously chosen. We will shortly be pairing those saber designs with the Kyber crystal to create your hilt. And the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control. And it's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated. So it's a
Well, yeah.
Well, in the boxes there in front of you on the left, you'll find that you have your chassis. The next pieces you'll be using are on the right. That's the activation plates. And that will be followed by the grips, emitter, and finally pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your Kyber crystal, you will now choose the individual elements that will make up your saber. The gatherers are here to assist you. So let's build.
Michelle, my name is Annalie, and I'll be helping you with your build today, okay? Next to you. All right. You're going to take the chassis first, and we're going to hold it with these lines facing up towards the ceiling. Okay. Perfect. Well done. Next, we're going to do the Kyber crystal, and we're going to be putting it in the center chamber here.
So like this?
Top plate is a little bit springy, so I'll show you how to do it the way that I find it easiest. The small point of my crystal in the center of that top plate that's a little bit springy, with my finger right behind it, and then gently I'm going to use my thumb to push the bottom of the crystal to the center of that.
Oh. Actually, is it good?
Oh,
Yeah,
snap.
perfect. You should be able to spin around a little bit. Beautiful. All right. Next, you're going to be choosing one of your sets of activation plates here. This one. On the inside of your plate, you're going to find a red and a blue square. Those red and blue squares are going to match up with the red and blue squares on your chassis. I'm going to cover the red square with the red square and the blue square with the blue square.
Ooh, okay, and that's just like this, like that, right?
Yes.
Is that good? Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
then blue with the blue with the blue. Okay.
Yes. Now once you have those put together, go ahead and test your activation switch.
There we go.
That spark is what we want to hear. Next, you're going to be choosing your grips. So you have 4 in front of you. You only need 2. 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom, okay? And you can use any of the grips for either end. This bronze ring is going to go towards the center, towards your activation plates, okay? So you're going to push and turn.
Push and turn.
Yep. Once you feel it stop turning, you can go ahead and let go.
It's so good that you're turning, actually.
It's not going on, I can try and help you out with that one. Sometimes
Actually, no. Oh, yeah, no.
Perfect. All right, beautiful. Then you can put one more on the other end.
So it could be any of these two, right?
Any of the 3 that you have left.
Actually, this
Remember that bronze ring is going to go towards the center there. Remember that bronze ring goes
Oh,
towards the
I'm
center.
sorry. I was like, oh, wait a minute, what?
There we are. Ooh, beautiful. All right, go ahead and test your activation switch again. Beautiful. All right, next you're going to choose one of your open-ended emitters here for the top. It's going to screw on like a bottle cap, okay? And once you have that secured, go ahead and turn it upside down, and you're going to put one of your combo caps on the other end.
I know which one I'm on automatically. Can it go through? There we are. Come on.
Okay, beautiful. All right, do a final check for you. All right, how did that feel for you?
This is perfect.
Perfect, well done. All right. Go ahead and practice activating that switch. Somebody's going to tell you to activate, and that's the switch you're going to be using up to activate, down to deactivate, okay? Okay, perfect. All right. Select it on that. All the bridle part there. I feel like this piece really balances out that rancor tooth on the bottom. Well done.
There it is.
So great.
There we go. Fine work.
Yeah.
Very nice indeed. Yep, that's right. You can sit right there. And you went with elemental nature. Why did we choose elemental nature?
I've been close to nature before, so I want to feel even closer.
Oh yeah, well absolutely. This is a great choice for you.
Yeah.
Very fine indeed. And you go with the rancor tooth as well. I like that you've got the wood running throughout as well, which gives it a nice sense of like one piece, which is good. And then with the larger onyx as well, gives it I think balances it with the tooth nicely. Now, what color crystal did you choose?
Purple.
The violet crystal.
Yeah,
Good
violet,
choice.
yeah.
No, that's fine. It's a fine choice indeed. I like that choice because violet, of course, the crystal of balance, the balance between the blue and the red. You get the violet there, and then balance is so important with the elemental nature idea as well. So I think that's a really nice combination. So, yeah, fine work.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And there it is. That's what it is.
It's perfect.
We've both gone with the rancor tooth, I see.
Yeah.
So actually, in a few moments, what we're going to be doing, I'll let both of you know. We're going to actually, right now, obviously, they want to activate. We need to stabilize those kind of crystals for activation. That's actually the tricky part. Is those powerful crystals can be a little volatile if they're not handled correctly. So we, as you see, we have our stabilization chambers. In the years past, the Jedi would stabilize using the Force, but we don't have that luxury. So we use what we do have, which is our technology. So we'll be stabilizing using our chambers. It's equally effective, but a little more dangerous. That's the only difference. You can see we have some of our holes in the ceiling. As you can see there, that's a result of the activation's gone wrong.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We have that nice lump of loose rock right above you there.
Oh dear.
Hopefully we won't have. This is why we're taking.
I will stand over here.
Yeah.
To ensure these things go smoothly. That's the idea. It's time for the dangerous part. So let's leave those hilts where they are, and all of you can go ahead and step back.
Yeah.
Gatherers are now coming round to place those hilts, as we said, into the stabilization chains. We need to take every precaution to ensure that this stage goes smoothly. But it seems we've gone off without a hitch, so we can now continue to the what's happening.
Well, chosen not such with skill you have, chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Are you both ready?
Yes.
Very good. Then Builders, on my signal you will come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Come forward. And activate. Go ahead. Raise those lightsabers. Builders, you have both built lightsabers. Just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, both of you, deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath that you can collect as you leave the workshop. Well, unfortunately our time is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You're all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your stories. Till the Spire. Thank you so much. All right, enjoy. Thank you.
Oh my god!
So,
Shall we do some showing off?
hey, oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was a great experience,
If you had
too.
told me that I would be doing this, then I wouldn't have believed you.
I want to, like, okay.
Yeah, you can. Like, feel it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's heavy, too. That has quite a bit of weight to it.
We were supposed to, like, do this around 3, but...
We were supposed to do this afternoon.
Yeah, but
But
they
we had
actually-
we got to do it earlier.
Yeah.
You made a great lightsaber. So this is elemental nature.
Yeah.
And you chose the violet kyber crystal.
I was gonna choose blue, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going for rare here.
This
So,
is honestly, I think this is a good choice.
yeah.
So, how did you think of the experience?
Personally, I loved it. Like, you felt as if you were actually like a Jedi. I would totally do it again if I could.
You just have to spend another 200 credits.
Yeah.
And they do give you this, so that's cool.
So, I don't know how it's supposed to go.
I think
Are
you're
you
supposed to put it like
crystal and then
you're
up?
supposed to put it blade first and blade first.
But other than that, like, even though it's a lot, but it is worth doing. I mean, you have that full experience as if, like, you are...
Do you need help
a
with
Jedi.
that, by the way?
Yeah, I do. There are other options, too. You could always get, like, I think it was, like, something for your belt.
Yeah, I guess they give you some sort of like belt clip, I think, and as well as a stand, like a display stand for your lightsaber, or for just the handle in general. I was just the +1 in the whole thing, so I didn't get. I don't have my own saber, but experiencing that was awesome.
Magical.
Was still awesome. Yoda makes another unexpected cameo in something.
Again.
It's like I just remember the reaction of when Yoda came out in Last Jedi. I was like, "What?" The experience alone is definitely a great experience. I can't really judge by if I spent $200. I would think this is worth it. I can't really judge on that because I don't know. I'm not really sure. But the actual thing itself, the actual saber itself, is actually really legit good material. It is not plastic. You can actually really buy it being $200.
Yeah.
I can see how pricey that saber would be anyways, plus the experience.
And
So
plus, with it all, you get a free cool pin as you get your...
I want the pin at least.
I know
Nah,
you do.
You can keep the pin. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not that materialistic.
If you had told me this as a kid, again, I wouldn't have believed you. I would have said, prove it. I'm glad that we actually did early because look, there's a line.
Yeah, there's now a lot of people there. It was just me. It was just us.
Yeah.
And one other
Person, yeah.
like group of people, or just not group, but just one other like party of two. Which, by the way, I was able to come in because one person can bring one other person in with them, I think. If you wanted a saber as well, you're gonna have to pay another $200, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was Savi's.
It's worth it.
It's Savi's workshop,
worth
right?
it, yeah.
Yeah. So that was a great experience.
Perfect.